In the world of project management, data is king. Project managers constantly need to track tasks, budgets, resources, and countless other pieces of information. For many, the go-to tool for organizing this data has long been the humble spreadsheet, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So, when exploring a comprehensive project management platform like ClickUp, a natural question arises. Does ClickUp have a spreadsheet? The answer isn't a simple yes or no in the traditional sense, but rather a more nuanced yes and much more. While ClickUp doesn't feature a standalone, general-purpose spreadsheet application within its platform in the same way you'd open Excel, it provides powerful, flexible views and functionalities that serve the same purpose as a spreadsheet and often, even better for project management needs. Let's break down how ClickUp helps you manage and analyze data in a spreadsheet-like fashion, designed with project execution in mind. The power of table view. The closest equivalent to a traditional spreadsheet in ClickUp is its table view. Imagine your typical spreadsheet rows and columns, but supercharged for tasks and project data. Rows as tasks. In table view, each row typically represents a task, a subtask, or even a higher-level item like a project or client. This immediately links your data directly to actionable work, which is a significant advantage over a disconnected spreadsheet. Columns as information fields. The columns in table view are your data fields. Beyond standard task properties like task name, assignee, and due date, ClickUp shines with its custom fields. This is where the true spreadsheet power comes in. You can create an almost limitless array of custom fields to capture any type of information relevant to your project. Text fields, for notes, descriptions, or brief comments. Number fields, for tracking budget, hours spent, quantities, or scores. Drop-down fields, for standardized choices, e.g., priority, high, medium, low, status, approved, pending, rejected. Date fields, for specific milestones, review dates, or actual completion dates. Formula fields. This is a game changer. Just like in Excel, you can create formulas that automatically calculate values based on other custom fields. For example, you could have a cost field, an hours worked field, and a total billable amount formula field that multiplies the other two. This automates calculations and ensures data accuracy. Relationship fields, link tasks to other tasks, or even to a client task, acting as a mini database to track interconnected information, and many more, including checkboxes, ratings, attachments, and people fields. This highly customizable column structure allows you to build a dynamic spreadsheet that perfectly mirrors the specific data points you need to track for your projects. Beyond the basic grid, dynamic data management. What makes ClickUp's approach more powerful than a static spreadsheet for project management? Directly linked to tasks. Unlike a separate spreadsheet, the data in ClickUp's table view is inherently linked to your tasks. When you update a cell in table view, you're directly updating a task's information. This eliminates the need for manual data entry into multiple systems and reduces the risk of discrepancies. Real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can view and edit the same table view simultaneously, with changes updating in real time. This is far more collaborative than passing around Excel files or managing version control. Filtering, sorting, and grouping. Just like in a spreadsheet, you can powerfully filter, sort, and group your data in table view. Want to see all tasks assigned to a specific person, due next week, and with a high priority? ClickUp lets you do that with ease, dynamically reorganizing your spreadsheet to show you exactly what you need. You can group by assignee, status, custom field, etc., providing different perspectives on your data. Views for different perspectives. While table view gives you that traditional grid, ClickUp offers numerous other views that leverage the same underlying data. A task created in table view can also be seen in a list view, a more traditional task list. Board view, Kanban visualizing tasks moving through stages of a workflow. Gantt chart, for project scheduling and dependencies. Calendar view, for visualizing deadlines. All these views draw from and update the same data, giving you different ways to understand and manage your project without duplicating effort. Automation. This is where ClickUp truly leaves traditional spreadsheets behind. You can set up automations based on changes in your spreadsheet data. For example, if a task's status custom field changes to completed, you can automatically update another custom field like completion date, or even trigger a notification to stakeholders. This reduces manual work and ensures consistency. Reporting and dashboards. The data captured in your table views and custom fields can be pulled into ClickUp's powerful dashboards. These are customizable reporting hubs where you can create widgets, charts, graphs, number displays to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, and project progress. Think of it as creating dynamic charts and reports directly from your spreadsheet data, without the need for complex pivot tables or external tools. When to stick with a traditional spreadsheet and how ClickUp helps. While ClickUp's table view and custom fields are incredibly powerful, there are still niche scenarios where a dedicated spreadsheet application might be preferable. Complex financial modeling. For highly intricate financial models, advanced budgeting with multi-level aggregations, or specialized statistical analysis, a dedicated spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets still offers more specialized functions and capabilities. Massive data sets for pure analysis. If your primary need is to simply store and analyze millions of rows of purely numerical or textual data without direct ties to tasks or projects, a traditional database or spreadsheet might be more performant or suitable. However, even in these cases, ClickUp offers import-export functionality. You can easily import data from Excel or CSV files into ClickUp, mapping columns to custom fields, or export your ClickUp data into a spreadsheet for further analysis or archiving.